Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to show you a quick redneck repair to fix cracked ATV slash golf cart slash UTV plastics. Let's say perhaps your vehicle is old enough to where parts are really hard to find or more expensive than you want to pay. You have cracks in it from collisions or any other damage. So you've got this big open one that's getting worse. You can try using silicone or, different bonding agents like super glue. It works for a little while, but not too long. What works really good is riveting it. You take a simple bracket like so. You get a drill bit the same size as the holes in the bracket, like so. You get a hand riveter. You get hand rivets, like these, that fit in these holes. You go through and you hold up your bracket that you're going to use to the space that you're going to put it in. You go through and drill in. You hold this thing still when you're drilling so you don't mess up your holes. Drill your holes, fit this underneath exactly as you drilled it, put the rivets through, pull them through, and then it's done. I'll show you in real time how it's done in just a sec. Alright. Got my bracket, got my drill, got my rivets, got my hand riveter. Get started. I want this plastic to be, nice and straight again. So I'm going to get the weed whackers out of the way so I can get over here. Push up on this and set it where it's supposed to be. Like so. Put my bracket in place. Now I'm only using light pressure because I don't want to push this plastic back through again. There we are, done with that part. Sweep it off a little bit, make it look a little better. Couple rivets. There's one. Now in this case I drilled it for so long the plastic melted and got a little ballooned out a little bit. Should do. I think I may have drilled it a little sideways too. Nope. You want to press up as you're installing the rivet, nice and close. There's two. Let's see. Alrighty. Alright, now as you can see, this part of the crack is nice and strong again. Push on it all I want. Now in this case, I'm going to do another one right here, and one more right here to stop this crack from spreading. But it's your own choice how bad the damage is on yours. Like over here, I did one repair. I'm going to do one more up here. This has already been repaired with epoxy, but I'm still going to put one just to strengthen it. But if this was helpful for you, give me a thumbs up. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Have an awesome day, and hopefully your equipment can look just as good as mine.